Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, excited to guide you through the latest happenings in blockchain and crypto. There's always so much to cover, so let's jump right into everything. Our Discord community is now at 3,796 members. Whether you're a developer, a builder, or just a curious mind, it's the perfect spot to connect, share, and learn from others exploring the decentralized web. Over on social media, we dove into vector storage. 5 months in, and it's already shifting how developers think about AI and file management. While other solutions separate vectors and files, adding unnecessary steps, we keep them together. That means faster workflows, cleaner code, and verifiable data from start to finish. This week, we're putting the spotlight on Alchemy. Alchemy Exchange is like the Web3 version of Google Ads, but with way more transparency and way fewer middlemen. It's a decentralized ad exchange built on Ethereum that uses blockchain to clean up the messy, overpriced world of digital advertising. Instead of the usual 20 to 30% cut that traditional platforms take, Alchemy charges a flat 1.5 fee to both advertisers and publishers, and every transaction is publicly visible in their Ads Explorer. They've even tokenized the process with their ads token, giving holders the chance to stake or run validators for yield. Alchemy is all about returning power to users, creators, and brands. No more shady fees or confusing data flows. It's a great real-world example of how Web3 can solve Web 2 problems. Don't forget to mark your calendars for Permissionless 4, happening from June 24th through the 26th at Industry City in Brooklyn, New York. It's one of the biggest crypto conferences of 2025, hosted by Blockworks and Bankless, and it's all about shifting focus from infrastructure to real-world apps. Expect deep dives into topics like DeFi, NFTs, on-chain gaming, and even AI. There's also a 36-hour hackathon happening just before the main event from June 22nd through the 23rd, with 100K in bounties up for grabs. If you're looking to meet brilliant minds, test ideas, and soak in the future of Web3, Permissionless is the place to be. To wrap up today's episode, we are talking about how to pay to pin on IPFS using X402. It's no secret AI agents are everywhere right now, and the race to integrate them into workflows is heating up. That's where Coinbase's new X402 protocol comes in. It lets agents pay for API access with crypto via a simple HTTP 402 flow. Naturally, we jumped in. We built a working X402 server that lets bots pay to pin and retrieve IPFS content. We got the whole thing up and running in a day using our own tools. It's fast, it's efficient, and it reflects exactly the kind of dev experience we aim to offer. If you're building in Web3, you definitely want to give this a look, and maybe give X402 a try. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm so happy you joined me. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below for more exciting content from our team here at Pinata. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye guys!